What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Edition, and the title of the video is "Police Surprise Teen at Texas Roadhouse Using Stolen Credit Card." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about. Man, I love me some Texas Roadhouse. I ain't gonna lie. Them little rolls with the honey butter, cinnamon butter joints on there. Oh, that joint fire. I ain't gonna lie.
Officers were dispatched to Texas Roadhouse. On April 4th, 2024, officers were dispatched to Texas Roadhouse in response to a report of an individual attempting to purchase food using a stolen credit card.
55 to 58 and 69, just advising. They haven't checked in yet, so just standing by to see if they come up. The individuals who placed this order have not checked in yet. When they check in, I will advise what spot they're parked in.
I wasn't really sure if I should call, if you guys would be able to do anything.
Did Jen call?
She did.
She called?
Yeah, she lives in Tennessee. She was really mad.
I could
Understood. So
I'd understand too if someone ordered Texas Roadhouse in a place that I wasn't getting the food from Texas Roadhouse.
374. Exactly.
Snow bunnies looking. Ooh. If you know, you know. Okay, they got the snow bunnies in here.
Hopefully they show up and it's not a waste of your time.
Do you guys usually have like an amount of time that you wait before or you just, when you close, if it's left over, you just get rid of it?
Yeah, we'll just throw it out. I told the kitchen not to make it. Like, obviously I'm not going to give them free food, but they need it anyways.
Yeah.
So they placed it. This is the actual owner. This is the name they put it under, Justice.
Okay. 6'9", he's right up here in front. I don't know what car he's in, but he's just standing up here.
Are you tell him at pulling the spot over here?
No.
Yeah, we're good.
He's standing right here in the black hooded sweatshirt.
Hi. Hi there. Can I talk to you?
Yeah.
Did you place an order for pickup?
It was, yeah.
Okay. Whose car did you use?
It was, my friend's, not my friend's. It was this card that my friend had given me.
Oh yeah, his hand shaking and everything. Oh yeah, he cooked. He lying. Guilty. 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 Okay, he's guilty as charged. Okay, look at this.
Whose car did you use?
It was, my friend's, not my friend's. It was this card that my friend had given me.
You just used a random card?
To be honest, yeah.
Do you have your ID with you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on.
Oh, where we going? I was gonna go get my ID.
Well, did you drive here?
Yeah.
Okay, I asked you if you have your ID. I didn't ask you to go walk to your car.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
What's your name?
It's Ricardo.
Do you know your social? What's your name? All right.
Just have a seat right here on the bench. Let's just have a seat. Let's just have a seat right here.
Okay, your name's not Justin, because we can go ahead and add another charge here. All right?
Go ahead and put your hands
Ooh, he's cooked. He's cooked.
Where's your car? Did you come here alone?
Oh, my mom will drop me off.
Are we allowed to search your pockets? Catching out for weapons?
Oh, I know.
Do you have anything on you that you shouldn't have right now?
No.
You're under arrest, so you are going to be searched.
I know.
So tell us now if there's something on you we need to know. You have something?
No, it's just my babe.
Your babe? How old are you?
18.
18. You're real.
Can I call my mom?
You can't make any calls right now.
It's Ricardo.
Don't try and call me.
Listen, they always gotta call their mom. Oh wait, hold on now. Okay, Miss Officer, I see you now. Hey, it's snowing over there, ain't it? But no, anyway, I'll just play it. But why he crying and need his mommy? They always need their mommy. That's what I don't understand that, but moms be coddling kids, boy. That's why it be like that. What about I need my dad? No, that ain't. No, because dads apply discipline. No? Oh, okay. I thought maybe they need their dad, but you know, moms, everything's gonna be okay, baby. Oh my God.
I'm not. I'm being nice. I'm cool.
You got something right now.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand? Okay. All right. So, who is Justice? Is that you? Okay. Yeah, we'll get him back here in the back of your car for now.
I got my mom.
What's your step?
I'm gonna go.
Yeah, not right now.
Why?
Searching before we put him.
Yeah, can you search him? Yep.
Come over here. I can't. I'll search him. Come on over here. Just stand right here in front of the car.
Face the car.
All right. How old are you, man?
I'm 18.
18. Where do you go to school? Do you go to school or did you graduate?
I go to Copley.
Okay. Who brought you all the way up here?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
And I just wanted a nice meal.
How'd you get this credit card information?
My friend gave it to me.
I find it hard to believe his mom dropped him off at my funeral. Who else is here with you? It doesn't make any sense. Somebody else is here with you.
No, I swear to God, on everything.
How did you get here?
My mom took me home.
Mom took you home?
Yeah, she took me here to get food and she ran home.
So you were supposed to eat here?
Yes.
You weren't supposed to just pick it up and take it home?
No.
Hey, relax.
Bro.
Sit right here. Just sit down for a second.
Just turn
Sit.
on.
You got him?
Yeah.
Can I call my mom, please?
Not right now. I've told you that 3 times.
I know for what?
Not right now. I've told you that 3 times. You can in a little bit, but not right now. Have a seat.
Go.
I'm not gonna lie. He was about to run.
I know.
He was about to run.
She's in Tennessee. She says someone placed an order here. He walks up and says, "Hey, I got a pickup order for Justice, or my name's Justice." And then when Taylor went to go ask him his name, he said, "What did he say, Ricardo?"
Yeah.
Yeah, he said Ricardo. I'm gonna go walk around the lot real quick, see if I can find where these kids belong to. If you want to hold on to that for me. His name's on there if you want to try and find him. He said he goes to Copley. I was going to text Kenny and see if he was familiar with the kid at all.
He was getting ready to run.
Oh, yeah, for sure. 100%. Well, that's why I wanted
That's
to
why
find him.
I stopped him. We're going that way because I'm like, where are you going? There it is.
Chevy.
Hit it again.
Camaro.
I wonder if this Camaro's stolen. Why would an 18-year-old kid have this car?
Back.
Sure.
Can I call my mom? I
What-
need my phone.
What did we just tell you, dude?
Why can I not call my mom?
Because you're detained pending a police investigation. Your mom is not a priority right now to us.
Okay, I used the credit card. That's it.
A stolen credit card. You used a credit card that did not belong to you. You did not have permission to use the credit card.
Bro.
Do you think this is just something we're just gonna, oh, you know what? Just don't do that.
No, I know I should be charged for this.
Right, then that's what we're working out. Okay, so let us get through what we need to get through. You know, if we determine that you're gonna be under arrest, then there's a lot of moving parts that we have to get through, okay? But once we get through that, I will let you call whoever you want. Have you done this before?
No, this is my first time.
Did you know it was a stolen credit card?
I mean, he said, use this. And I was like, alright.
How did he get it?
I don't know.
Who's this friend?
I can't say names. That's
Is it somebody you met online or somebody you know in real life?
Yeah, he know the code. He said, I can't say names. He know what time it is. He know what time it is. Don't crack under pressure now, because when you was using the card, you wasn't crying. So don't start crying now.
Okay.
I just want to see the last 4 of the VIN. 0296. 0296. Alright, I'm gonna run it and see what it comes back to. You said a Ricardo, but I want to see how old he is and where the guy lives.
Well, they said 18 years old, and he said his name was Ricardo.
I wonder if he used a fake name to place the order.
Is he IDing himself yet?
Yeah, this is him. He said Ricardo first, and then he said Justice Antone. Justice Antone is a fake name that he used for the order. But this is him.
Okay. Hey, just so we're on the same page, what name pops up with on the DL and the RP? Ricardo.
Yeah, that's him.
That's who he's saying he is.
That's who he's saying he is?
The name that so he first told us Ricardo, and then the second name he told us, Antone, whatever, is just the fake name that he came up with to put on the order. So this is him.
Yeah, he's saying this. That's him.
I mean, we can verify further at the station, but I'm like 90% sure, yeah.
She offered to send the order home with me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
She said, okay.
The vehicle was registered to him and not stolen. He was charged with misuse of a credit card and theft by deception.
Damn. Cops did a good job, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Man, when she asked for that ID, he turned and tried to... that cop said, step right in front of him. Where you going? He was sick. Crying, need mommy. Yeah, cops get a 3. They get a 3. Good job, man. They did a good job. Boy, it was snowing over there, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Whew.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.